recall, as you seen yesterday, we gave up our truck to Earl, aka Truckmaster. So we'll be driving this old 71 today, all the way to great city of Detroit. 3.5 hour drive. Trucks like this, they don't get very bright lights, but not the best weather to be driving this old truck today, but we don't have any other options today. Yeah, I'm gonna lock her in. Yeah, see, we lost our wiper over there. Michigan weather. It's gonna be fun with no wiper trying to go down the expressway, but we will do what we do. Hopefully we can get a wiper when we hit Elmo. Cute. Eggs are squealing. The old truck's full for gas already. Hardly went anywhere. We gotta get gas already again. And hopefully I have a wiper. Crazy guy. Maybe two. Normally we would run 93 in this. Yes, this does have the gas tank behind the seat, so something I'd really like to, definitely something I'd like to change on it would be changing where the seat is. Man, I really feel bad even driving this old poor girl in this weather. Shitty. Wow, I think we're gonna unlock these. Helping us all. Leave her unlocked. Wiper. Still amazed on how we can't find any wipers, but yeah, I don't know. Crazy to me. Crazy. Well, we're getting off here at St. John's exit. Obviously, this is small town. Hopefully we can find a parts store here and then get back on the road. Alright, so here we got O'Reilly's. Off the drink. Holy. Crazy slippery out here though. Whew. We got a long drive. We got a couple hours. Yeah, so. We did pull a couple people out from ditch, so and then we actually had to try to use the full drive, which, as you can hear, I don't know if you can hear that clunking. I think an axle or CV or something happened to it. Yeah, I mean, this is not really what I wanted to have the whole video about, so we'll get into the garage and we'll make it, you know, about the truck. So I want to talk about this truck and Duramax gone, and why we're even driving this truck in this weather. Yeah, so we made it home, get this thing in the garage, kind of go over the truck itself. And obviously drove her, you know, well over 300 miles today in all shit weather, which it's not my, wasn't my goal to take the truck in it. I didn't realize the weather was going to get this bad. Obviously this morning it was going bad, and obviously with the Duramax gone, because the Duramax is gone, we had dropped that to Truckmaster, and you can check out his YouTube channel, but they're actually installing a turbo on that. So I decided to play guinea pig on the L5P, and see how that goes. I'm pretty excited about that truck though. So well, we're gonna get this thing in at least so that way it can dry off for the night. Yeah. There we go. This is the old 71 truck. I've been in all day, drove back and forth to Detroit, to all the accidents, to everything. She, well, gotta shut the headlights off. Okay. Yeah, as you can tell. It's definitely not good weather for this old truck, which I mean, we bought this truck originally from out west. It's been a good truck. I mean, I've actually used it quite a bit this summer. That's why I got some concrete tools in there and boat floating and stuff, because that's why I like to drive them. I mean, no point in having all of them if you don't drive them. So I like to drive this truck along with the rest of them. But anyways, just to get to the kind of nuts and bolts of this truck, you know, it's nothing super spectacular. It's a 71. Obviously the Cheyenne. I mean, it runs fairly decent for what it is. It's just a 350. We did realize that, you know, by looking at the heads, you can tell the heads were milled down because you can't get the numbers off them. But other than that, I know nothing about the motor. I've just, you know, bought it off, actually it was on eBay. Didn't sell, so I offered the guy money, and then he agreed to, you know, I gave him $7 grand for it. And then we had it shipped here, so. And then I've never done nothing to it. Not even tires, which it needs, and that's what, one day this week we'll put some tires on it. Cause they're, you know, they ain't really bad tread, they just actually got some dry rot in between the tread. Cause I had one go flat last week and had to put on the other side, but. Other than that, I mean, it probably besides needing a rocker on this side, a door, you know, and then gonna need this piece over the bed, but it's the only piece. Other than that, I really don't have no rust, but keep driving it and shit like this today, and definitely gonna give it some rust, so that's why I got in here, get it thawed out and get it off there and go from there. And hopefully the week will get better because I'm still gonna have to drive it some. But yeah, I mean, interiors, look what it is, filthy right now, but so really thinking about, like, when I restore this truck, I want to go blue and white, I think, or orange and white. But I would definitely like to go with it. Gets a lot of attention the way it is. I mean, just because driving around, you don't see everybody driving around, especially non-restored like this truck. But anyways, because we had all the driving and all the other stuff, I just wanted to, I promised I'd start getting all my other vehicles in, and happened to be this one today. And like I said, the Duramax, it's gone for a week, and then when that comes back, we'll be definitely making a lot of content on that too. And then in between then, we'll be doing more on the project truck, and then I got some more Demon content. And even with the Demon, we're not going to just stop doing Demon content. I mean, there's a lot of things that I haven't done that I just worried about getting my car and got it to the track. A lot of people got their cars and tinted the windows. I never done any of that. And I got issues with the rear end that we're gonna have to address. I gotta figure out which best way to go. I got one of them ADR things in there which saved the rear end, but they made that better one, but I'm already leaking because once you take that bolt out, you leak. So I gotta really get with like Mush and Josh and, you know, see what everybody else is doing to counteract that. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next video.